Prepare your defenses. Select your hero.
Alright.
Justice ain't gonna dispense itself. Let's just get the job done.
Ahlan.
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
There's nothing I can see before. Stick together. We will complete our mission.
I should
Everyone
totally just
signed
that
our life
field their
insurance
spawn.
policies?
We'll just drop on them like the Havana one. Alright.
5, 4, 3, 2.
If they start to go top left, should we stay here or should we rotate over?
Defend
You should rotate to the other side, but I don't think you do anything much else. They have Ryan's or Ryan Diva.
We can start to get on. We can
They
start
have
to get
Torb
like,
and McCree.
high ground.
They're going top.
Yeah, let's start to rotate. Start to rotate. I'm gonna get on high ground for this.
Okay, they're in the doorway. They're gonna come around it back a
They
bit.
might be, yeah. Far left, far left.
Yeah, they're coming far left. They're coming far left. Drop back to you guys.
Okay, they're gonna go high ground. Big purple, big purple.
Purple, good purple. Oh, she's so low. Push down to the right.
Run low,
They
run
have a
low.
May.
Nice.
Pulling.
Nano Crow, Nano Crow.
Go May out.
Diva.
No.
We're anti-clear.
Lucy in the back, Lucy in the back.
Oh my god. That sleep was
I'm the only
not
casualty.
good.
As per usual.
Healing in hand.
I'm coming back.
I stole your gold healing. It's 521.
You're like 20 off.
Some big heals.
They're doing same rotation.
Can we take high ground?
They're inside.
Yeah, let's just try.
Just
Yeah.
take iron. If
I've-
they
I've
just go
named it.
straight, we just drop on them.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're gonna do the same thing.
Then we should.
I'm watching. They might go
They
straight
saw,
to
they
point
saw.
though.
That's fine. I can anti them.
The guys are gone. Okay, they're gonna go right under us. Rotate to the right side.
Lucy, oh, someone.
They're all anti.
Break the wall, break the wall.
Just a
They have a tick.
triple kill.
Ryan.
Nice. Nice pull.
Team kill.
Okay, just set up on high ground
I think
again.
that was an okay tick to give.
Yeah.
If they come through, I'm gonna use my ult.
Yeah, that's fine.
We should use it with
I'd save everything else
Awesome, I think.
for now. Yeah.
If they come down, if they come through like.
Yeah, if they come really long angle, just use your ult, Josh.
I'm gonna do something
But if they
risky.
come through where they've been coming.
I think that they have ults now, so I'm gonna play.
Yeah,
gonna
for
put
sure.
it
They haven't used anything.
Okay.
I should-
They're doing the same thing, so I'm gonna try and ult them.
I might try and McCreel for zoning.
They're gonna be expecting an anti.
It's all six.
Nice.
Big, or nothing else.
That's disgusting.
That was massive.
Disgusting.
Okay.
Alright, but they didn't use anything.
This time Deadeye and whatever
Window?
Josh's ult. That one. Yeah, window.
I mean,
We
they have
can Deadeye
everything.
their Deadeye.
I'm gonna go in this green room here at noon if you want to win me there.
I might try to initiate with
Alright,
Deadeye
what?
so we can just drop off here. That's okay with everyone.
Are they doing the same thing? I can't really see.
They're going left again, I think.
If they do the same thing but try
Yeah,
zone,
yeah,
we
they're
can
left,
just-
they're left. Top left,
Okay.
I
I
saw
don't
them.
have a ton of time.
Observe the battle.
30 seconds remaining.
Are you gonna do the same thing? You're doing the same thing.
Nooning.
I knew this here.
Oh my
Nice.
god, that pull was absolutely
Right.
massive.
Seriously.
Holy.
They tried to slam.
Six.
That was a big pull.
Oh, 6K,
Oh
let's
my
go.
God.
Chris, that was a
That
big pull.
the pull was amazing.
You split the tanks from the squishies. Okay, now it's BM time. Can you imagine playing Anna and only getting who touched?
Lucio. He's dead.
Ball.
Nice.
Can you imagine that playing Anna?
Imagine playing Anna and only using her ult once.
Can you imagine playing Anna doing 727 healing?
That's it? Holy.
I think they doubled you.
Oh my god.
I mean,
Prepare to
I did
attack.
nothing except nade them, and then just like watch the kill feed. Like literally, that's all I did.
So I'm gonna bring up the fact that last time we played a game, I think last time we played Gravitas in Blizzard World, we also fill held them.
Welcome to
So Blizzard World and Rialto are mad.
prepare to attack. Select your hero.
All right, what the fuck do we do here?
I mean, their team committed to a really long rotation,
Yeah.
which guaranteed that they had like 4 fights.
We could do dive or we could do Ryan Zarya.
Whatever you want to do.
Let's try dive. You can do you on ball and try and boop them forward.
Veronica, I'm gonna pick around you. If you want to go Lucio, I can go. If you want to go Ana, I can go Brig to get you up.
How would you guys feel about Break Mercy?
As long as you,
30 seconds.
yeah. The thing is I usually go Brig to be able to peel for you, but if I don't need to peel,
I mean, you can still armor pack our like DPS when they dive in.
Where they do
yeah, that's fair. Yeah, we can try that.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I think I'd rather play Anna, but I think the sightlines are kind of weird here.
Okay, so we
Yeah,
gotta
they're-
set up first and wait for Chris for the
Yeah.
boop and then dive on them, okay?
Can I get on to?
Okay,
They're
they
top
are on
right,
high
top
ground,
right.
close.
We want to just rotate with that.
I'm just gonna, okay. I'm just gonna try and touch and pull them down.
Yeah.
Some of them are already down.
Okay.
The Mercy's down.
I double armor back to you. I'm gonna try to come up.
Yeah, Ash is already down.
Hanzo 1, Hanzo 1. Oh, I got depleted.
Their armor back was too. There's Ash.
You ready?
Oh, wait.
Okay. Oh, wait.
Back to work.
Alright, Raven's coming back. We're fine. We can go in.
Alright, I'm going in.
I'm ready, I'm ready.
3,
They're on high ground behind.
1.
Sigma.
Sigma.
He's one.
We still need you.
I'm swinging the stick. Can you rally over and down?
Oh, Sigma.
Zoe.
Six. They're gonna try to
Rissa alone and fight.
Nice. Hanzo. Ash.
Alright, drop it from you.
We're good.
Nice
job.
take. They're gonna have DPS ults.
Objective
And they also have
I'm gonna stand card.
They have McQueen
wait.
no Hanzo now.
The pay
yeah.
And they're on
They're,
Ryan Diva.
yeah, they're gonna have Bob.
Diva's high ground?
to aisle 4 for repairs.
Payload's moving out. Keep it covered.
Remember, if you jump him too close, it might try to nano.
Mercury's there.
I'm gonna-
Reese.
He's tough.
I got one.
Nice. They're gonna
You
try
guys
res.
go.
Yeah, I'll jump on the wrist.
Mercy.
Nice.
You have normal cut.
Ryan's low. I'm in. Mercury's alone up top. I'm jumping on him. Never mind. This was a waste.
Oh my god. So much CC.
Oh, we can just fight around for Dion.
You didn't even have to die on. You get out if you can.
There wasn't really any getting out for me.
No, I know you weren't getting out.
I think after the fight we swap off dive.
Yeah.
So try and use our ults. So we're gonna use Valk Blade and Mines.
I'll try to just generate rallying you.
Yeah, you just use it as soon as possible.
You can even.
Yeah, you can stay on break and we can Veronica can go or Anna.
Yeah.
I like rotating with you right
Oh my god.
Okay. We're just gonna play slow. Wait for Chris again.
My bad, guys.
We have time.
Yeah, we have time.
They were
Very,
high.
very one.
They were hiding
They're
right
high-
side. Oh, weird.
They're high grind on the bridge there.
Reeves, come back to me so I can armor pack you.
Gonna try and get around behind. Okay.
1 second. Yeah.
Ash is way back. Ash is far back. I'm gonna jump on her.
Danger.
Okay. 3,
Rain is far back.
1.
I'm here. Mercy's still low. Mercy's still low.
Dana's one. No need. Nice.
D1. Oh no, D1.
I'm going sorry, Chris. Okay, no we're not.
I'm red just for point presence.
Mercy. Anna got res.
Give.
Anna ready?
I'm going to cart.
Oh, damn it, the honor so.
Get that feeling, deja vu.
D.Va half.
Alright, do you want me to switch off?
I think
Yeah, you can.
yeah, you can stay and break. Cause Ronnie can just go, and we'll be fine.
I mean, you can also go Anna and then I can go Leo.
Okay, we need a hit skin. They have a fire now.
Okay, I can switch.
Alright, well, you hold it. I'm gonna go.
You going Anna?
Doomfist here.
Okay.
Payload stop.
I need some help. Thank you.
Thank you.
Are they still on high ground? There.
Yeah, they're mostly on here.
Okay, one.
What creeds do we have? Left side high ground.
Okay.
Run.
Fight.
McCree's here, back one.
Got him.
Nice.
The compass not this alright.
Boop them off high ground. I just don't really know how to wall ride here.
Let's go underneath to the left.
Okay.
Over. Okay.
60 seconds remaining.
I have your back.
Wait for Ginger.
Wait.
Okay.
Say we actually take high ground for them.
Yep. Beating.
Should track that.
Your attention.
30 seconds remaining.
I think that's a good rotation.
Quit lollygagging.
We should do it again.
Yeah, if Nano, if you want to just engage them.
I
They're
don't
gonna
have,
have Devi.
I don't know if we have time to go that way.
We can go straight to. Or you guys can go that way and I can go to cart.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
10 seconds remaining.
Let me bubble you, Veronica. Go.
I'm on.
I shielded.
I pressed Q, it literally. Oh, that's accurate.
Good push.
Yeah.
The first point was really good.
Complete.
I think so. When
This
we took
lap's
that
never
fight as
uneventful.
this dive, like we won the fight, but we had no one on cart, so we got no value out of it.
Yeah.
Especially.